Today we will attempt to go full self-driving in the rain, okay? With the wiper in auto mode. Let's see what happens.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Lamson Road.
Constant warning on full self-driving may be degraded because of poor weather.
In 1,000 feet, take the Interstate 93 north ramp on the right toward Derry, Manchester.
out position to keep the water from coming up the windshield at times. Not all the time though. Now it's up. And you can see the water coming up the windshield.
Just like you, oh baby, just one more time to touch you, just one more time to tell you you're on my mind, baby. Why can't I have you? You're breaking my heart in two. Know what I'm going through. Why can't I have you? Oh, can you smile all the while? Plenty. Your eyes like my car, lethal powers. Pressure, when I felt the pressure, tight and warm, the soft, striking. Trip and stumble, will I trip and stumble? I'll go forever, I'll go all night. Oh, baby, just one more time to touch you. Just one more time to tell you I'm not so blind, baby. Why
In 1 mile, take the Interstate 293 north, New Hampshire 101 west exit on the left toward Manchester.
know what I'm going through? Oh, baby.
Now take the Interstate 293 north exit on the left.
It changed lane very late. Should have been on this lane a long time ago. The wiper stayed out most of the time though, in this resting position. doing 64 in a 55 zone.
In 1 mile, take the Interstate 293 north exit on the right toward Manchester, Concord. Now take the Interstate 293 north exit on the right.
It's going into this exit much faster than I would have liked. 55 miles zone. It has a lot of just one sharp curve, and it was doing 65 in the rain. So I don't like that. I would not have gone that fast. On a nice and dry day, yes, but not today. In 1 mile, take exit 5 on the right onto Granite Street. Now take exit 5 on the right. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Granite Street. Now turn left onto Granite Street. There are 2 lanes here, and it picked the correct lane to be in. The other lane will go back to the highway. So it chose the correct lane. Sometimes it doesn't, and I have to manually override it, redirect it. But today it picked the correct lane. It did not go on green right away, so I have to
500 feet, turn
tap
right onto
on
Main
the
Street.
accelerator pedal.
Now turn right onto Main Street.
I just turned on a red turn signal. In such a situation, I would have come to a complete stop before moving again, or at least try to slow down a little bit. But the truck just plowed right through it, as though it was green. Okay, I may have to take over right now. I mean, really soon, because I would make a left turn, and I don't think the truck would go the way that I go, which I feel is the best way with least amount of traffic light. Well, actually, it knows where to go. Wow, smart truck.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Putnam Street. Now turn
Very
left
nice.
onto Putnam Street.
It picked the correct way. There are so many ways to get to the destination, and there is only one best way, based on human experience.
Now turn right onto Notre Dame Avenue. In 500 feet, turn left onto Amory Street. Now turn left onto Amory Street.
Have to make a left turn right here. Go, come on, go. Auto wiper should have gone down and up now, but it's not
In
doing it.
500 feet, turn right to stay on Amory Street. Now turn right to stay on Amory Street. In 500 feet, turn right onto Laval Street. Now turn right onto Laval Street.
I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand.
Okay, I'm gonna have to
Destination
disengage
is on the right.
the truck and see if I can parallel park. Actually, park right here. Wow, very nice. It pulled it by itself. Just like what I would have done, exactly like what I would have done. Very nice. 100% satisfied with this drive. It behaves exactly like I would have done, although it parked a little further out from the curb than I would have liked though.